Emma, I just finished reading a really good book.
Wait, good? Chris, that's what a 5-year-old says.
But it was good.
No. If you really liked it, say it was magnificent, remarkable, or outstanding.
Oh, the book was magnificent.
Much better. Hey everyone, I'm Emma, your English coach.
And I'm Chris, the guy who apparently speaks like a kindergartner.
Don't worry, Chris. By the end of this lesson, you'll sound smarter, more confident, and fluent in English using 50 smart words that replace your basic ones.
So basically, you're upgrading my vocabulary today.
Exactly. From basic to brilliant in just 10 minutes.
All right, let's do this.
And you watching, hit that subscribe button because we're about to transform how you speak English. Now, let's start with one of the most overused words in English, good.
What's wrong with good?
It's boring and overused. Here are better options. Excellent, very high quality. This coffee is excellent. Superb, outstanding quality. Your pronunciation is superb, Chris.
Thank you, teacher.
Magnificent, impressively beautiful or great. That sunset was magnificent.
Wow, okay.
Outstanding, exceptionally good. Your progress is outstanding.
I like that one.
Remarkable, worthy of attention, extraordinary. Your improvement is remarkable. Exceptional, unusually good. This is exceptional work.
I'm exceptional.
Easy there, Chris. Next, splendid, magnificent, or impressive. You've done a splendid job. And lastly, phenomenal, extraordinary, or amazing. That performance was phenomenal.
So good is out and phenomenal is in. Got it. Okay, what if something is bad?
Never say bad. Use these instead. Terrible, very bad. The weather is terrible today. Awful, extremely bad or unpleasant. This traffic is awful. Dreadful, causing fear or suffering. I had a dreadful day yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
I had to listen to your jokes. Next, atrocious, meaning horrifyingly bad. Your jokes are atrocious.
Ouch.
Disastrous, causing great damage or failure. My first attempt at baking was disastrous. And finally, horrendous, extremely unpleasant or bad. That movie was horrendous.
All right, I'll stop saying bad. It sounds horrendous. What about nice? It's such a friendly word.
And that's why everyone overuses it. Try these instead. Pleasant, giving a sense of happiness. This music is pleasant. Delightful, causing delight. The weather today is delightful. Charming, pleasant and attractive. You have a charming smile.
Aw, thank you.
Lovely, beautiful, attractive, appealing. That's a lovely dress. Appealing, interesting, or attractive. That idea sounds appealing. And finally, agreeable, enjoyable, or pleasant. He has an agreeable personality.
Okay, nice is officially retired.
Everything can't just be big, Chris.
What else can I say?
Plenty. Enormous. Extremely large. That elephant is enormous. Immense. Huge or great. The ocean is immense. Gigantic. Very big. Your phone bill must be gigantic.
It really is.
Colossal. Extremely large. That statue is colossal. Massive. Large and heavy. That's a massive building. And finally, substantial. of considerable size or importance. I made substantial progress today.
Got it. My mistakes are tiny, not massive.
Not always. Don't just say happy. Try these instead. Joyful. Feeling great happiness. I'm joyful when I eat pizza.
Of course you are.
Ecstatic. Intensely happy. I was ecstatic when I passed my exam. Elated. Very happy and excited. She was elated about the promotion. Jubilant. Great happiness after success. Fans were jubilant after the victory. Blissful. Perfectly happy or blessed. This vacation is blissful. And finally, overjoyed. Extremely happy. Her parents were overjoyed to see her.
What about when I'm sad?
Use words with more emotion. Melancholy, a gentle sadness. Dejected, sad and depressed. Sorrowful, feeling grief. Gloomy, dark or depressing. Disheartened, losing hope. Despondent, in low spirits from loss of hope.
These sound deep.
Exactly. They make your English more expressive. When something catches your attention, don't just say interesting. Fascinating, extremely interesting, intriguing, arousing curiosity, captivating, holding your attention completely, compelling, evoking strong interest, engrossing, so interesting you can't stop.
Like this lesson, engrossing.
And for boring, tedious, too long or dull, monotonous, dull and repetitive, dull, lacking excitement, mundane, very ordinary, uninteresting, not holding attention.
So my jokes are tedious?
Exactly. Time to test you, Chris.
Bring it on.
That was a good movie.
That was a phenomenal movie.
The room is big.
The room is enormous.
I'm happy about this.
I'm ecstatic about this.
That story is boring.
That story is tedious.
This is a bad situation.
This is an atrocious situation.
Impressive. You sound much smarter already.
I went from kindergarten to college in 10 minutes.
Let's quickly review all 50 words.
I'll try to keep up.
Good, excellent, superb, magnificent, outstanding, remarkable, exceptional, splendid, phenomenal. Bad, terrible, awful, dreadful, atrocious, disastrous, abysmal, horrendous. Nice, pleasant, delightful, charming, lovely, appealing, agreeable. Big, enormous, immense, gigantic, colossal, massive, substantial. Small, tiny, minuscule, petite, insignificant, negligible. Happy, joyful, ecstatic, elated, jubilant, blissful, overjoyed. Sad, melancholy, dejected, sorrowful, gloomy, disheartened, despondent. Interesting, fascinating, intriguing, captivating, compelling, engrossing. Boring, tedious, monotonous, dull, mundane, uninteresting. And bonus smart words: eloquent, profound, vital, crucial, abundant, scarce, meticulous, diligent, resilient, adamant. Inevitable.
Emma, I feel like a completely different person now.
You sound like one. Try your first line again.
I read a magnificent, captivating, phenomenal book that was absolutely engrossing.
Wow, that's the power of smart vocabulary.
I sound like I belong in a library.
A very sophisticated one.
So everyone watching, which new word was your favorite? Comment below.
Practice these 50 words in your daily conversations and writing. The more you use them, the more fluent and confident you'll sound.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Talk Smart English Podcast for more fun and easy lessons.
Because we make English learning fun, not boring, or should I say, tedious.
You're getting creative with your vocabulary too.
Always. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Remember, stop sounding basic, start sounding smart.
Both. See you in the next video.